Hey guys, today let's check out Zepto's digital gift cards at offer prices. Interested? Let's get going. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies 1. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. As you see in the picture, you can go to Zepto app, click on Zepto, given the search bar as digital gift cards, and you have plenty of gift cards to purchase here. You can choose any of these. It starts from just 50 rupees. You have from Amazon to Uber. Here I have clicked on Zepto's gift card to buy it. You can buy it yourself or you can give to someone else. You have to just write the sender's name and the receiver's name and mobile number as shown in the picture. And then you can click on pay 97 rupees. But then if you want to buy it yourself, you can do as well. As shown in the picture, you choose the option as myself and give your mobile number. That's it. And you can click on pay 97 rupees. So this is the offer price you have on Zepto to buy gift cards. If you want more crazy or loot deals on gift cards, just wait. I'll show you in some time. As shown in the picture, gift card is purchased and you have to redeem on Zepto, which I'll show you in the later part of the video. As per now, we'll see some crazy loot deals on Magicpin regarding the gift cards, which I have told earlier. As shown in the picture, you can go to my description box and click on the link. Once you click on the link, you can get the app from the Google Play Store, log in with your phone number. So all the new users can get 500 magic points, which is equal to 500 rupees, which you can redeem at checkout. Okay, here you can click on Magic Shop at 1 rupee and check out all the deals and vouchers of different brands just for 1 rupee. And you have products also available at 1 rupee. And not only that, you have food deals, entertainment and shopping also available. So you can check out all the deals at low prices. As you see in the picture, I'll show this wow product at just 1 rupee. As shown in the picture, you can click on buy it buy now. Once you click on that, your coins or the magic points, whatever you call, will be used to buy it. As shown in the picture, you can buy it, the wow product, at just 1 rupee as shown in the picture, and you can get back, and you have rewards for every transaction. As you see here, you can just give a tap and unlock rewards. Now I'll show you as how to buy gift cards at low prices. Here I'm buying a Zepto gift card, so I've given in the search bar as Zepto gift card, and here the screen appears with deals. You can scan or go through all the deals till the end of the page. Here I've got a deal of 96 rupees for new users. You got a better offer at the bottom. Do check out. So here I have clicked on add. A coupon is auto applied, so I'm getting 100 rupees Zepto gift card at just 75 rupees. Here you can complete your payment by choosing any of the online payment modes as shown in the video and click on pay. That's it, done. Zepto's gift card is purchased. Now we'll see as how to redeem it. As I told earlier, for every transaction you will be given a coupon or a reward. As shown in the picture, you can unlock it. Okay, let's get back and see as how to redeem gift card that has been purchased on Magicpin, right? As shown in the video, you can go to Zepto app, click on the profile icon. Here free cash is already available, but please don't get confused with it. You have this option here, Zepto cash and gift card. You can click on it, and here it will ask whether you have a gift card or not. As shown in the picture, you can click on add card and enter the code and the pin correctly that is on the gift card as shown in the picture. So once you enter the gift card code and the pin correctly, then you can click on add gift card. So here gift card would be immediately or instantly added to your wallet as shown in the picture, you have here available balance 100 rupees. You can get back and check. Here it says Zepto cash and gift card 100 rupees and free cash voucher or the promotion voucher is available separately as 100 rupees. And now you can go to Zepto or Zepto Super Saver and add to the cart the products you want. You can go to view cart. Here the Zepto cash or the gift card cash is shown up and automatically selected. So this is the point you have to bear in mind. You can apply Zepto free cash as well as shown in the picture. It's super crazy, right? You can go down, click on to pay and check whether free cash and Zepto cash is applied or not, and then check out. That's it all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling.